Welcome to this comprehensive guide on metadata and meta tags for SEO success. I'm excited to share with you the essential knowledge that can transform your website's search engine performance. Let's start with the fundamentals. Metadata is simply information about information. Think of it as a label on a file folder that tells you what's inside without having to open it. In the context of websites, metadata provides search engines with crucial details about your web pages. Meta tags are HTML elements that live in the head section of your web page. They're invisible to your website visitors, but incredibly important to search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. These tags act as a communication bridge between your content and search engines, helping them understand what your page is about, how it should be indexed, and how it should appear in search results. The importance of meta tags cannot be overstated. They directly influence how your site appears in search results, affect your click-through rates, and play a significant role in your overall SEO strategy. When implemented correctly, meta tags can be the difference between a website that gets discovered and one that remains buried in search results. The key meta tags we'll explore today include title tags, which define your page's title in search results and browser tabs; meta descriptions, which provide brief summaries of your content; robots tags, which control how search engines crawl and index your pages; and canonical tags, which help prevent duplicate content issues. Now, let's dive into the specific types of meta tags that are essential for SEO success. Understanding each type and its purpose will help you implement them effectively on your website. The title tag is arguably the most important meta element for SEO. Although technically not a meta tag, it functions similarly and appears in the head section of your HTML. The title tag defines what appears as the clickable headline in search engine results and in browser tabs. It should be concise, descriptive, and include your primary keyword near the beginning. The optimal length is between 50 to 60 characters to ensure it displays fully in search results. The meta description tag provides a brief summary of your page content. This description often appears as the snippet text below your title in search results. While meta descriptions don't directly impact rankings, they significantly influence click-through rates. A compelling meta description should be between 150 to 160 characters, include relevant keywords naturally, and contain a clear call to action that encourages users to click. The robots meta tag is your way of communicating directly with search engine crawlers. It tells them how to interact with your page. Common directives include index or no index to control whether the page should appear in search results, and follow or no follow to determine whether search engines should follow links on your page. You can combine these directives, such as index, follow for pages you want fully crawled and indexed. The canonical tag helps solve duplicate content issues by specifying the preferred version of a page when multiple versions exist. This is particularly important for e-commerce sites with product variations or websites with printer-friendly versions of pages. The canonical tag tells search engines which version should be considered the authoritative source. Understanding why meta tags are crucial for SEO success will motivate you to implement them properly across your entire website. The impact of well-optimized meta tags extends far beyond simple search engine communication. First and foremost, meta tags improve your search engine visibility. When search engines can clearly understand what your page is about through properly implemented meta tags, they're more likely to rank your content for relevant queries. This improved understanding leads to better matching between user search intent and your content, resulting in higher rankings for targeted keywords. Meta tags also significantly impact your click-through rates from search results. Your title tag and meta description are often the first impression users have of your content. A compelling title that includes relevant keywords and a descriptive meta description that clearly communicates value can dramatically increase the likelihood that users will click on your result rather than a competitor's. For social media marketing, meta tags control how your content appears when shared on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Open graph tags for Facebook and Twitter card tags ensure your content looks professional and engaging when shared, leading to higher engagement rates and more traffic back to your website. Mobile optimization is another critical area where meta tags play a vital role. The viewport meta tag ensures your website displays correctly on mobile devices, which is essential since Google uses mobile-first indexing. A properly configured viewport tag can mean the difference between a mobile-friendly site that ranks well and one that doesn't. Meta tags also contribute to better user experience by setting proper expectations. When your title and description accurately reflect your content, users who click through are more likely to find what they're looking for, leading to longer time on site, lower bounce rates, and better engagement metrics that positively influence SEO. Let's walk through the practical steps of implementing meta tags effectively. This systematic approach will ensure you don't miss any critical elements and maximize your SEO impact. Step 1 is conducting thorough keyword research. Before writing any meta tags, you need to understand what terms your target audience is searching for. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs to identify primary and secondary keywords for each page. Focus on search intent. Are users looking for information, trying to make a purchase, or seeking a specific service? Your meta tags should align with this intent. Step 2 involves crafting compelling title tags. Start with your primary keyword, but don't just stuff keywords in. Create titles that are both search engine friendly and appealing to human readers. For example, instead of SEO services, SEO company, SEO expert, use professional SEO services to boost your website rankings, your brand. This approach includes keywords naturally while being readable and branded. Step 3 is writing persuasive meta descriptions. Think of your meta description as a mini advertisement for your page. It should summarize the content, include relevant keywords, and provide a compelling reason to click. Use action words and create a sense of urgency or value. For instance, discover proven SEO strategies that increased our clients' organic traffic by 150%. Get your free SEO audit and start ranking higher today. Step 4 involves implementing social media meta tags. Add open graph tags for Facebook and Twitter card tags to control how your content appears when shared. Include OG, title, OG, description, OG, image, and OG, URL at minimum. The OG image should be high quality and relevant to your content, as visual elements significantly impact social media engagement. Now let's explore advanced metadata concepts that can take your SEO strategy to the next level. These techniques are used by top-performing websites to gain competitive advantages in search results. Schema markup, also known as structured data, is a powerful way to provide search engines with detailed information about your content. Unlike traditional meta tags that provide basic page information, schema markup can describe specific entities like products, events, recipes, reviews, and much more. When implemented correctly, schema markup can result in rich snippets that make your search listings more visually appealing and informative. For example, if you're running an e-commerce site, product schema can display star ratings, price information, and availability status directly in search results. This enhanced display not only makes your listing more attractive, but also provides users with the information they need to make quick decisions, often resulting in higher click-through rates. JSON-LD is the preferred format for implementing schema markup. It's easier to implement and maintain than other formats because it doesn't require you to modify your existing HTML structure. You simply add a script tag containing the structured data in JSON format to your page's head section. Hreflang tags are essential for websites that serve content in multiple languages or target different geographical regions. These tags tell search engines which language and region a particular page is intended for, helping ensure that users see the most appropriate version of your content in search results. Proper Hreflang implementation prevents duplicate content issues across international versions of your site and improves user experience by serving content in the user's preferred language. Let's discuss the best practices that will ensure your meta tag implementation is effective, as well as common mistakes that can harm your SEO efforts. Following these guidelines will help you avoid pitfalls and maximize your results. Best practice number 1 is creating unique meta descriptions for every page on your website. Each page serves a different purpose and targets different keywords, so your meta tag should reflect this uniqueness. Duplicate meta descriptions across multiple pages is one of the most common issues we see, and it represents a missed opportunity to optimize for different search queries and improve click-through rates. Best practice number 2 involves including primary keywords naturally in your title tags. The key word here is naturally. Your title should read well to human users while incorporating relevant keywords. Place your most important keyword near the beginning of the title, but ensure the title remains compelling and readable. Remember, users will see this title in search results, so it needs to encourage clicks. Best practice number 3 is keeping title tags under 60 characters. Search engines typically display the first 50 to 60 characters of a title tag in search results. If your title is longer, it will be truncated with an ellipsis, potentially cutting off important information. Use tools like Google's SERP preview tools to see how your titles will appear in search results. Best practice number 4 involves implementing schema markup for rich snippets. This advanced technique can make your search listings stand out with additional information like star ratings, prices, event dates, or FAQ answers. Rich snippets often result in higher click-through rates and can help you capture more real estate in search results. Now let's discuss common mistakes to avoid. The biggest mistake is using duplicate meta descriptions across multiple pages. This wastes an opportunity to optimize for different keywords and provide unique value propositions for each page. Every page should have a unique, compelling meta description that accurately describes its content. Keyword stuffing in meta tags is another serious mistake. While it's important to include relevant keywords, overusing them makes your meta tags read unnaturally and can actually harm your SEO performance. Focus on creating compelling, readable meta tags that happen to include your target keywords naturally. Missing the viewport meta tag is a critical error for mobile optimization. Without this tag, your website may not display properly on mobile devices, which can negatively impact your search rankings since Google uses mobile-first indexing. Finally, using generic non-descriptive meta descriptions is a missed opportunity. Descriptions like "Welcome to our website" or "Learn more about our services" don't provide any compelling reason for users to click on your result instead of a competitor's. Having the right tools can make meta tag optimization much more efficient and effective. Let me introduce you to the essential tools that will help you implement, monitor, and optimize your meta tags for maximum SEO impact. Google Search Console is absolutely essential for any website owner. This free tool from Google shows you exactly how your site appears in search results, which queries are driving traffic, and what issues Google has identified with your meta tags. The coverage report will alert you to pages with duplicate or missing meta descriptions, while the performance report shows you how your titles and descriptions are performing in terms of impressions and click-through rates. For WordPress users, Yoast SEO is an invaluable plugin that simplifies meta tag management. It provides real-time feedback on your title tags and meta descriptions, showing you how they'll appear in search results and social media. Yoast also includes readability analysis and helps ensure your meta tags are optimized for both search engines and human readers. SEMrush offers comprehensive competitor analysis capabilities that can inform your meta tag strategy. You can see what title tags and meta descriptions your competitors are using for pages that rank well, giving you insights into effective approaches for your industry. The Site Audit feature also identifies meta tag issues across your entire website. Meta tag analyzer tools help you check your implementation for best practices and common errors. These tools typically examine title length, meta description length, keyword usage, and other factors that impact SEO performance. Many of these tools are available for free online and can quickly identify issues across multiple pages. Open graph checkers are essential for social media optimization. These tools show you exactly how your content will appear when shared on Facebook, Twitter, and other platforms. You can test different OG image options and see how changes to your open graph tags affect the appearance of shared content. Google's mobile-friendly test tool helps ensure your viewport meta tag is correctly implemented. Since mobile friendliness is a ranking factor, this tool is crucial for identifying and fixing mobile optimization issues that could be hurting your search performance. As we wrap up this comprehensive guide to meta tags and metadata for SEO, let's review the key takeaways that will help you implement these strategies successfully on your own website. First and most importantly, remember that meta tags are essential building blocks of SEO success. They provide search engines with crucial information about your content and directly influence how your pages appear in search results. Properly implemented meta tags can significantly improve your search visibility, click-through rates, and overall user experience. Second, understand that well-optimized meta tags can deliver measurable results. As we've seen in our case studies, businesses have achieved traffic increases of 30% or more, click-through rate improvements of 24%, and significant boosts in local search visibility. These aren't theoretical benefits, they're real results that you can achieve with proper implementation. Third, recognize that each page on your website should have unique, relevant meta tags that accurately describe the content and include targeted keywords. This uniqueness is crucial for maximizing your SEO potential and avoiding the common mistake of duplicate meta descriptions across multiple pages. Fourth, don't overlook advanced metadata concepts like schema markup. These techniques can help your content stand out in search results with rich snippets, providing additional context to search engines and making your listings more attractive to users. Your next steps should include conducting a comprehensive audit of your current meta tags using tools like Google Search Console or SEMrush. Identify pages with missing, duplicate, or poorly optimized meta tags and prioritize fixing these issues. Implement schema markup for your most important content types to take advantage of rich snippet opportunities. Focus on optimizing your social media meta tags to improve how your content appears when shared on platforms like Facebook and Twitter. This can significantly increase engagement and drive more traffic back to your website. Finally, remember that meta tag optimization is an ongoing process. Monitor your performance regularly, test different approaches, and refine your strategy based on the results you're seeing. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and staying current with best practices will help you maintain and improve your search performance over time. Thank you for joining me on this journey through meta tags and metadata optimization. Implement these strategies consistently, and you'll see significant improvements in your website's search engine performance and overall online visibility.